All right, so workers' compensation is a compromise. If you didn't have workers' compensation, then you'd have to prove negligence. A lot of times people get hurt on the job. They lift something heavy and they hurt their back. Nobody did anything wrong, and you would have no claim. So the legislature said, we need to cover injured workers even if there's not negligence. Well, that's great, but they said, if you don't have to prove negligence, we're not going to allow you to have pain and suffering. When workers' comp, you don't get that, but you have a claim even if no one was at fault. Medically, it's also a compromise in workers' compensation because they pay for the treatment as you go, which is great. I wish that were the case on a personal injury case, but it isn't. But in workers' comp, the compromise is they pay for the medical treatment as you go, but you got to pick from the posted panel of physicians. You got to pick from a list of doctors. Typically it's 6. So they get to pick the doctors that you get to treat with. So it is a compromise that you get it paid for, but you're fighting to find a fair doctor and then trying to get all the treatment that their doctor recommends authorized and paid for.